You are welcome to my channel. So what practically we'll be doing today is how to open UK TikTok account. So before we proceed, you will need at least 3 steps, and these 3 steps, number one is what, for you to be able to get your your TikTok account from Play Store, and number two, you make sure you have a Gmail that you have not used for anything, for any TikTok before, and number three is the main step that you'll be doing, which will include you are changing the location from Nigeria to UK, and then number four, then date of birth. With these four things, you'll be able to create a UK account. So follow me, let's go. So let's go. So you log into your TikTok account, you see the interface like this. So you click on your professional dashboard, it will bring you to this interface. So you locate your settings, then you click on your settings to bring you to this interface. So what you do here, you look at this switch account or you log out any of them. So like you can see this one, so you go up. So to bring you to this interface, you say what, login or add another account. So you click add another account. So to bring you to this, you can see Nigeria. So you click on this Nigeria. This is the main thing. Don't miss this step. If you miss this step, that's, you will not get it. So you write United States. So from here, you can see this is United States. So you click on it. After you have clicked on it, so it will bring you to this. You see, by continuing with account located in United Kingdom. So as you can see this, the next thing now we'll do now is to continue with Google. Don't use phone number, and then you need to get Gmail account that you have not used for anything. As you can see, I choose this Righteous Crown because I have not used for any TikTok account before. So you allow it to load. It will bring you to this interface. Make sure you choose your correct date of birth. So as you can see, I'm taking my date of birth. So they say I should review my date. I've reviewed it, so I'll just change a little things. So now I'll click OK. As you can see, my account United Kingdom. So as you can see, this is, they say create nickname. So I'll just leave it like that since this is for educational purpose. So as you can see, our account is ready. So this is a new UK TikTok account I've just created for this Righteous Crown Assembly. So do it to share this video so that others can benefit.